Sean Chalfin, and this complaint and everything in here is going to the FBI or the Federal Trade Commission and Homeland Security and Secret Service. I'm doing this because the FBI doesn't allow photos to be injected into their complaints, and I just want proof that I have what I'm explaining here. So first off, on November 8, 2019, I caught Fastly using the Tor project and injecting their content into my system, in which they are DNS cache poisoning my system here, and they were using the Tor browser, and I caught them doing it. And so Fastly has been wiretapping my computer for 2 years, and I finally caught them on December 20th, 2018. And notice the Google user content and Akamai and Amazon Oz, they are tunneling in to the Amazon servers, getting the domains that GoDaddy has redirected there with the A records, hosted there by pointing the A records. So here Fastly redirects my browsers, and they are DNS cache poisoning my system using Varnish right here. Varnish. And this was discovered in that Tor hack on December 8th. Now, there is their Google user content, also tapping into that and injecting all of this into my local cache. Now, this is interesting. This is proof that GoDaddy is in, not GoDaddy, Fastly is in the local cache injecting their content, and they've overtaken my browsers. Now, I have attached this YouTube link here because my browsers are detecting Fastly cache poisoning or spoofing my network. And here is a video on YouTube. This is this video link, and I'm just going to show you how VRBO redirects to home away, which is fine. They stay Z redirected to home away, but watch how this very boutique encrypted browser redirects the malicious website. Now, HomeAway can do this to VRBO because they own it, and Expedia owns HomeAway. But watch Forbes.com redirect to Fastly, and you just saw CNN. And this is going on inside of my computer, and that is what this link is. I am sure that they don't want this happening. Now, New York Times is on Fastly's website, and so is Kayak, so is Lonely Planet. But if you're on their website, odds are they're not going to redirect you, and this is what's been found in my computer. But it's worth watching that video because you'll be able to explain or see what I'm talking about here. But Nexstar Media Group is in those redirects in that video here, and they're all their channels. This is an example of the Google user content that was found in the library, and there were 2,200 plus of these JavaScripts that were injected with Google user content. Now, Expedia hijacks my website, hotels.viajes. They're mirroring it line by line. And I want to show that the dates here are June 5th at 9:49, and then June, these are different, but it's line by line. The rest, I'll show you, are within 6 minutes apart. But the reason I think this is interesting is because Expedia, HomeAway, VRBO, and Escapia, all Expedia companies, are mirroring each other here. Here's HomeAway. being mirrored by Expedia or vice versa, and they're using the Apple Touch icons. And this is when GoDaddy deleted everything when I found the Apple Touch icons. Now, here you have VRBO being mirrored by HomeAway, the Apple Touch icons, line by line. Now, GoDaddy injected these Apple Touch icon relays in their IMG1 and WSIMGs every single time I built the website. And the reason I'm bringing that up is because I want to talk about what's inside these Apple Touch icons. In Google ad managers, Google user content, but here you can see HomeAway is being mirrored by Expedia. Here is hotels.viajes being mirrored by Expedia. And of course, hotels.viajes is my website. Here you can see VRBO being mirrored by HomeAway. Exactly the same script that's in my website almost, but you know, different names. Here is Expedia being hotels.viajes, my website, being injected with the travel assets. Line by line, by the way. Line by line. Here is Expedia being mirrored by HomeAway. I kind of got that off a little bit, but they are mirroring the website. Notice the HomeAway injections here. Here is Expedia mirroring my website, hotels.viajes, with the travel asset toolkits, and they're fetching the DNS of hotels.viajes. Here are travel asset icons injected into my website, hotels.viajes, by Expedia. Line by line, 6 minutes apart. Expedia overtakes hotels.viajes. Line by line, June 5th, 2018, June 5th, 6 minutes apart. Line by line. Line by line, hotels.viajes is overtaken by Expedia, mirrored line by line. And it's no different than what they're doing with Hotel or VRBO, HomeAway, and Expedia, which is a great find, by the way. Here is ClickTripZ and Tiki.com mirroring hotels.viajes. In this video right here, you will see ClickTripZ overtaking my website, Geo.viajes. Both of those. Now, Expedia, again, ClickTripZ was found attacking my websites. Here they're found inside of Expedia. Here is Expedia referencing the Amazon Oz servers where my domains are parked. And there's a login. And there's the Amazon. And you can see the Akamai and Amazon. And here's where they're hijacking hotel.viajes on the script. IMG1s injected by GoDaddy. Inside of that is Lacana, Fastly, and when I discovered what was inside of these Apple Touch icons, GoDaddy deleted every one of my single websites, and they deleted my business website, suit.style, and in an attempt to try to kill, I allege, my income so I can't renew the domains. Here, GoDaddy injects the IMG, WSIMGs into hotels.viajes, overtaking the headers. Hotel.beer. Both of these websites, I spent months building. Months. And GoDaddy destroyed them when I discovered Lacana and Fastly. It's just an awful, awful experience. And then here is what's going on right now. Now, Cars.flights is a multi-billion-dollar website. Cars.com and two years ago sold for $2.5 billion. I believe cars.flights is bigger than that. And this is my website that GoDaddy will not transfer, and they're pointing the name servers to wildwestdomains.com, which I allege is allowing Kayak and Expedia to use this site on December 19, 2018. This is currently going on. And this video link will show the proof that I have that is occurring. I cannot believe this is actually happening right now. I cannot believe that GoDaddy is not transferring this domain, deleted my websites, hijacked over. They have stolen multiple domains from me. And it's been an awful, awful experience with working with them. And it's been awful.